Okay, for this example, we've got a hot air balloon that is observed from 2 points, A and B, on the ground. And when I go ahead and I draw a diagram, it would look like this. So this is 800 feet between A and B. The angle of elevation of the balloon is 65 degrees from point A. So if I draw it up, it's going to be 65 degrees. And then it's 37 degrees from point B. And I know my picture isn't necessarily drawn to scale, but that's okay. So what is the distance from point A to the balloon? So here's my balloon over here. Okay, so what I'm looking for here is the distance from point A to the balloon. So I'm looking for this one right here. And it looks like I got that degree. So now I just need to use part of the other side. So I need to find this angle here, which 180 has to be equal to that angle, which I'm just going to call y, plus the other two, because the inside angles have to add up to 180. So when I do that, I'm going to do 180 minus 37 minus 65, and I get 78 for y. So I'm going to go ahead and write in 78 there. So now I need to go ahead and create my proportion here. So it's the sine of 78 over 800 has to be equal to the sine of 37 over the value that I don't know, x. So cross multiply. X times the sine of 78 is equal to 800 times the sine of 37. Divide by the sine of 78. And I'm going to get x is equal to, just going to plug this into the calculator, so 800 times the sine of 37, close those parentheses, divide by the sine of 78, close the parentheses. And I get 492.2, which means that it is 492 feet away, because I need to write my answer to the nearest foot.